This is the first natural disaster on Donald Trump's watch in his young presidency. He was briefed on the storm yesterday and signed a disaster declaration for the state of Texas.
As many know, moments like this can be defining moments for a presidency. And ABC's Mary Bruce joins us now from the White House with more on the president's response. Mary, good morning.
Good morning. Well, the president is up and tweeting and keeping a close eye on all of these developments. Just a short while ago, he took to Twitter saying he's closely monitoring the hurricane from Camp David, saying we are leaving nothing to chance, and touting that cities, states, and federal governments are working great together. There's no question. This is a major test for President Trump, his first natural disaster on his watch. The White House insists they are up to the task and that they are acutely focused on making sure that the needs of Americans are met, those in the path of this hurricane. Now, as you mentioned, overnight, the president approved that request from the Texas governor, signing that disaster declaration that officially makes federal funds available to help assist in these recovery efforts. The president, of course, the White House already saying that the president plans to be on the ground to see the aftermath of this. He hopes to visit Texas sometime early next week.
The White House says the president is focused on the storm, but overnight it made news on a number of fronts, including on some controversial issues.
Yeah, it's been quite a controversial last 24 hours for this White House. Everything from the president following through on that plan to ban transgender service members from the military, to pardoning Sheriff Joe Arpaio, who's become a lightning rod in the debate over immigration in this country. He's been accused of racial profiling and discrimination. The president issuing that pardon, but already receiving a lot of pushback for taking these steps, as much of the nation, much of the media, of course, is consumed by focusing on this hurricane. Even Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer accusing the president of using the hurricane as cover.
All right, Mary Bruce, we appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.